Hello everyone, a very happy morning to all of you. How are you? I hope you all are well and enjoying my classes. Let's start our today's session. Today we are going to learn about sky at night. Now students, you tell me, what do you see in the sky at night? Students, you see stars and moon in the sky. Students, what is the color of the sky at night? Black color. Students, stars shine in the night in the sky. Now students, tell me, what do you feel when you see sky at night?
Ma'am, the sky looks very beautiful and lovely at the night, and the stars shine at the night. Twinkle, twinkle.
Very good. Now and gave me a white smile. Now students recite the rhyme. Good night uncle. After me. Good night uncle. Good night Uncle Moon. The day has drawn to an end, and I am ready to bed. The day has drawn to an end, and I am ready for bed. So good night, Uncle Moon. I love you lot, I said. So good night, Uncle Moon. I love you a lot, I said. The day has drawn to an end, and I am ready for bed. It peeped through my window and gave me a white smile. It peeped through my window and gave me a white smile. I was oh so happy and sleep in a while. The day has drawn to an end, and I am ready for bed. The day has drawn to an end. Night sky. Now students, open your book I Can Achiever 4. Open page number 44. Here students, you will paste moon stickers for the things you see in the night sky. Students, this is the stars we see in the night. So paste the moon sticker here. This is a rainbow. Is this night scene? No. So don't paste the sticker. This is a sun. We see sun at day, at the morning time. So don't paste the moon here. See students, here a lot of stars and a shining moon. We see stars and moon in the night. So paste the moon sticker here. Now students, let's do an activity. For this activity, students have some paper, sheet of paper and some colors. You will have to draw any pictures related to night scene. Students, you can draw moon, stars like this. Sorry, like I am doing. And fill colors. And you draw also stars and color it. You draw lot of stars. Students, we see lot of stars in the sky near the moon. So students, you clear? Now students, open page number 45. Here students, you will look at the picture and read the words. MOON, moon. SPOON, spoon. TOOTH, tooth. FOOD, food. ROOM, room. ROOTS, roots. POOL, pool. COOL, cool.
Now students, open your book phonic booklet, page number 38. Here you have to read these words and practice writing them. Students, when O and O, both these words are pronounced together, they are pronounced as O. Like cop, COOP, cop. Food, FOOD, food. Moon, MOON, moon. Noodles, NOODLES, noodles. Pool, POOL, pool. Room, ROOM, room. Roof, ROOF, roof. Proof, PROOF, proof. School, SCHOOL, school. Spoon, SPOON, spoon. Now open page number 39. Book, BOOK, book. Cook, COOK, cook. foot, F double O T, foot. Suit, S double O T, suit. Took, T double O K, took. W wool, W double O L, wool. Stood, S T double O D, stood. Wood, W double O D, wood. Good, G double O D, good. Hood, H double O D, hood. Like this.
Now students, open page number 46 and 47. Here students, you will complete the sequence of numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What comes after 5? 6. So write here 6. 7, 8. What comes after 8? 9. So write 9 here. 10. What comes after 10? 11. So write here 11. 12. What comes after 12? 13. So write here 13. 14. What comes after 14? 15. So write here 15. And what comes after 15? 16. So write here 16. What comes after 16? 17. So write here 17. 18. What comes after 18? 19. So write here 19. 20. 21. What comes after 21? 22. So write here 22. What comes after 22? 23. Write here 23. 24. What comes after 24? 25. So write here 25. What comes after 25? 26. So write here 26. 27. What comes after 27? 28. So write here 28. What comes after 28? 29. So write here 29. What comes after 29? 30. So write here 30. What comes after 30? 31. So write here 31. What comes after 31? 32. So write here 32. 33. What comes after 33? 34. So write here 34. What comes after 34? 35. So write here 35. 36. What comes after 36? 37. So write here 37. 38. What comes after 38? 39. So write here 39. What comes after 39? 40. Write here 40. 41. What comes after 41? 42. So write here 42. What comes after 42? 43. So write here 43. What comes after 43? 44. So write here 44. What comes after 44? 45. So write here 45. What comes after 45? 46. So write here 46. 47. What comes after 47? 48. So write here 48. What comes after 48? 49. So write here 49. And the last is 50. 50. 50. Now students, open your book, Doodle Book of Rhyme and Story. Open page number 48. Here students, you will revise the story Sam and Pam. Sam, the fat cat with a hat, sat on a mat. Sam has a nap on the mat. Cat. Shh! Is that Pam the rat? Yes, that is Pam the rat. Say, Sam says, is that Pam the rat? Pam says, yes, it's have some jam. Pam says, yes, it is have some jam. Now students, sit in a circle with your family and discuss a theme what you have done since morning. I will come up with many more new videos. Stay in touch children. Do your work. Play indoor games for your safety. Happy learning kids. Stay at home. Stay safe. Take care of yourself. Thank you.